In April of 2006, HPFY staff writer Kevin Cleary of New Fairfield, Connecticut, sustained a life-changing injury while playing with his 5-year-old son Ryan on a trampoline in his backyard. In this candid video, Kevin talks about his level of injury, how it has affected his body, and how he and his wife Robin have managed to nurture their marriage of 28 years. The location of Kevin's spinal injury is at vertebrae C4 and C5.
Your first, was it 6 or 7, are cervical vertebrae.
Neck.
Yeah. And it's, middle to the bottom. And it's not uncommon for you to regain a little bit of function, a level or two below. So you might get a little bit more, but like I can move my arms, but it's not my arms. It's my shoulders and deltoids.
Kevin spent the first weeks after his injury at Danbury Hospital in Danbury, Connecticut, and the nurses there could tell that this was one man that couldn't be brought down, and often brought him outside to enjoy the warm spring days. Despite this devastating injury, Kevin was in good health.
Yeah, so it was starting to get warm. One nurse was wheeling me back in. She's like, you're the healthiest one in here.
Wow.
Because health-wise, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Just can't really move.
Imagine a young husband and father at the age of 39 dealing with an injury this severe. Kevin gives a lot of credit to his wife, Robin.
The nurses absolutely loved my wife. Not because she's a nice person, because she is, but they knew they didn't have to worry about me. The first thing they would, like when the shift change was around 3, they were like, is Robin coming today? Because they know even in the hospital, she would do my cathing and fill out the chart and transfer me. They had nothing to worry about.
Strength, love, and determination seemed to be strong in Kevin's home.
There's going to be stressful moments, regardless. To be honest, I'm sure there's levels of frustration because she's got to deal with her own problems.
Right.
She has a problem with her neck. There's a pinched nerve.
Right.
But I think she passed a kidney stone one time. Oh. And she had to go to the hospital. Her big concern was she had to come home and cath me.
So that's what she's thinking.
Good thing she's German and stubborn.
It seems as though Kevin isn't the only one with a lot of inner strength.
What's the right word? Dedicated. Do not mess with her.
But are they really like every other married couple?
If she hasn't smothered me in my sleep by now, we're good to go.
I think so, yeah.
And we've had numerous, like everybody else, you have arguments.
So you do argue like everybody else.
Absolutely.
You just have typical,
it's as normal as everybody else.
Just a normal marriage, there's just one day where, you know what, I'm just annoyed that you're around.
Oh, I'm sure I've gotten...
you to her, her to you.
I'm sure I've gotten an FU in the back of her brain somewhere.
How does he keep smiling and keep going after all of these years?
Oh my God, 17 years since I got hurt.
Yeah, it's a long time.
Man, we were like, damn.
That's a long time.
It goes by. Ryan, we were able to travel. We made it happen. My wife's favorite words, we'll make it happen. We'll make it work.
See,
you figure it out.
It's great because that's, you have to have that attitude, absolutely.
What am I going to do, sit here and squabble and cry over spilled milk? I don't even like milk.